There you go. What's up, guys? Sorry about that. Little camera malfunction. One sec. Oh, I'm not on with these children. Alright, thanks for the fill. There's a final mini up for football mixer and a mini up for soccer. I'll bring them home. Hopefully we can rip tonight. We'll see. Alright, I'm out of knives, so back to the skizzers. I don't know about 2014. That's why I made it random teams. I'm not really sure. It just looked like a cool box, so I grabbed it. Start with the Mega Box, then the Sapphire, then 2014, then the Bowman Draft 2021. I am not sure who we're chasing. Hopefully something good, though. There's an intriguing mixer. If we like it, I might be able to do it again next week. Actually, maybe. I just got one box of each. We're out yesterday and I found them. Thought it'd be cool for a mixer. Alright, 2022 Mega. Got our Mojo packs. We got Carlos Aguilar first. San Quentin first. Ian Lewis first. Austin Hendrick. What's that noise? Jaraba first. Salinas first. Lopez first. And Vargas. Alright, let's get some good mojos. First pack. Got Robbie Martin Jr. first. I'll top load all the firsts and rookies and good players. Pedro Leon. Brandon Marsh, Rookie of the Year favorite. Polanco and Fran Aldley. Tatis first. Mozziati first. Hi-Fi Armando Cruz. There's an Ellie and Benny Montgomery. Hey, you did get an Ellie, Brett. The only box that has Ellies. You got one. Silver Mojo. Alright, let's Saffy it up. There are 8 spots left in the football mini, and I'm not sure about soccer. I think Mike just put that up. Yeah, Andrew Vaughn, Sapphire Rookie. Taribo first. Chen first. Dunning Rookie. Alejandro Kirk Rookie. And Christian Javier Rookie Orange to 75 for the Strobes. What?
You're so vain.
Oof. Eduardo Garcia first. Dylan Carlson Rookie.
You think every song is about you.
But serenading.
Don't you?
At least won't get muted because they definitely know it's not Carly Simon. Got a Missiel first. Varsho Rookie. Kevin Maid first. And Pache Rookie. Not bad. Yeah, I can't even pretend I know who to chase in 2014. We got Victor Acosta first. Gilbert Ruiz Rookie. Josiah Gray. And Bieber. What's that?
Trout.
Trout. No Trout. 2011. Tops. Alexander Ramirez first. And for the Cardinals, Nolan Gorman Green to 125. Got Ed Howard and Bobby Delbeck rookie. Patino rookie. Mondo Cruz first. Yiddy Cappy first. And Sixto Sanchez rookie. These will be dropped off Friday to locations as well as in the mail. Spencer Howard rookie. And for the Reds, Melvin Valdez, first purple to 25. Not bad. There you go, Brad. Another sneaky red.
Feeling it.
Feeling it. Kristen Hernandez first. And Tristan McKenzie rookie. They're so good. Jerstad. Perdomo rookie. Reed Detmers prospect. And Casey Mize rookie. Not bad. Alright, let's see what's in this 2014 here. 3 autos. You got a row box, buddy?
Is it Aaron Judge?
Judge, he had home run already.
No, 2013.
No, not Aaron Judge.
Want this?
No, I got it. Yes.
Someone said it's Aaron Judge.
Who said Aaron Judge? Aaron Judge, is it? I don't think so, but never know. Too many projects. That'd be awesome if it's Aaron Judge. Alright. Get at it. Over 3 prospect autos.
Yankees suck.
We lost again. Alright. Real quick through the paper. Drew Ellis, Sam Travis, Jacob Lindgren. We got Mac Williamson, Trace Lauer first, Joey Gallo. We got first round pick Michael Kopech and Michael Chavis for the Red Sox. We got Gareth Morgan, the $3.99 on the first paper for the Mariners. Buxton. Trace Lauer on the blue to $3.99. Blue first, 91 of $3.99 for the A's. Max Fried. Spencer Adams first. J.P. Crawford. Josh Hader. Nick Gordon, Michael Conforto first. Refractors. J.D. Davis first and Chris Bryant non-first. Luis! Come on. The Punisher. There's a Renfro. Cole Tucker first. Yeah, Clint Frazier. You're a Jedi? Mr. Jedi. Alright, stuck together. TJ Antone first. Reese Hoskins first. Not bad for the Phillies. Come on. Kyle Freeland first. Got a paper Alex Jackson, Michael Conforto, And Daniel Robertson. Die cut, not numbered for the A's. Scouts breakouts. Jacob Lindgren first. Alan Hansen, Milton Ramos first. Brett Honeywell first. We got Justin Twine, first refractor, and Russell Herrera. It's a cute card. What up, Cockadoodle-Doo? Albert Elmora. Bobby Bradley first. Chrome Schwartz first. Austin Dakar first. Corey Seager. Gareth Morgan. It is a paper sparkle, or paper foil board for the Mariners. Michael Chavis, draft card. Christian Binford. Wyatt Strahan first. Chris Stratton. Matt Morgan. Michael Chavis first. Taylor Sparks first refractor, and Lance McCullers. Brett said he was checking. He said he was checking the list for you. That's had a very, very busy week. On the Gold Rush balls. Omar Mazzara. Kopech first. Chase Zalat first. DJ Peterson. Braxton Davidson first. Alec Gonzalez on the foil board paper. Grant Hockin first. Aaron Judge. Not first, but prospect. Mitch Keller first. Jacoby Jones. Tim Anderson. Got a Nick Wells first refractor and Nick Williams. Who? Oh, they're on the list. Got Brett Graves first. Travis Demeritte. Brett Honeywell first. Kind of sticking together a little. Yeah, they are. Yeah. Brett's on the struggle bus. Definitely on the list. Michael Lorenzen. Got a paper Lordy Lara. Mini card Lucas Sims, future of the franchise for the Braves. Not much. Nomar Mazzara. Max Pentecost first. Gavin LaValle. Got football and soccer in mini fillers. Jeff Brigham first refractor and a Tim Anderson refractor. So I'm going to put up random team soccer. Probably single box. Keep it cheap. Of the new finest. Trey Turner first. Paper. I will top load some of the papers as well. Monte Harrison first. Brian Anderson. Michael Sedroth first. Trevor Story. Grayson Grenier first. Nick Gordon. And non-auto Ben Lively on the throwback. First hit going to the Blue Jays. Max Pentecost. First auto. Blue Jays. Nick Howard. Lane Thomas first. Michael Kopech first. Boston. The Twins didn't have a team yet. Twins, Jake Reed. Easton Diaz first. Garrett Fulnicek first refractor, and Luis Brinson. Refractor. Chicken Jays. Spencer Turnbull. Dylan Cease paper. Byron Buxton. Jack Flaherty first for the Cardinals, not bad. Lucas Giolito. Matt Chapman. We got Peter O'Brien on the foil board. And our second auto is going to the Brewers. Cody Medeiros. First refractor auto. Not quite sure who that is, but it's a Brewer, so we like him. Tyler Danish. Sam Travis. Aaron Blair. Can't refund if you didn't pay, sir. Matt Chapman first. Yeah, Michael Conforto, first refractor, not bad. For the Mets. And Jeremy Rhodes, first refractor for the Angels. Not too bad for a cheap one so far. I should have one more auto out of this box. And then the big box, the expensive one. Brandon Nemo. Reese Hoskins paper first. Kyle Schwarber paper first. Tapia. Jordan LePlow first. Blackburn. Grant Holmes paper. We got Jose Barrios, the anniversary. Monte Harris first chrome. Vincent Velasquez. Brian Anderson first for the Fish. CJ Edwards. Alex Verdugo first paper. Foster Griffin first refractor, and Carlos Correa refractor prospect. He looks about 5 years old here. Jackson Reitz first. Hunter Dozier. Jacob Gatwood first. Jose Barrios. Paper insert. Chad Pinder. Rob Kaminsky. Future of the franchise for the Cardinals mini card. Boston Casino first. Chris Ellis first. Casey Gillespie first refractor, and a Nick Gordon first refractor. Correa. Severino. Chad Sabatka first. James Ramsey. Dylan Davis first. Paper Blue Jays insert. And that's a nice one to 150. Michael Kopech, first green. Nice hit, Boston. First green to 150. Brett's not quite sure who Michael Kopech is. Sam Henches first. Alex Jackson first. Nick Torres first. He's on the other team in Chicago, the one with the winning record.
I don't know if they do they?
We got Forrest Wall, first refractor, Lucas Sims. I think they do.
56 and 54.
I don't think Brett's pulling anything from the shop tonight. It's full, huh?
What?
The Prism 3-day mixer?
Oh, yeah, 3 days.
You gonna throw in any freebies for the support?
Maybe if it's filled day one.
Clinton Frazier, future of the franchise for the Windians mini card. No free blasters. Jordan Montgomery first. Alex Verdugo first for the Dodgers. I think he has stuff in there. Peter O'Brien, Gareth Morgan first. Edmund Sosa, Trey Ball, Blake Anderson first. Julio Arias, Conforto Paper. Joe Gatto first refractor, and Hunter Renfroe refractor. His first is in this, I believe. Yes. No, I don't think anything yet. I thought there was a pack that said Blazowicz on it.
Somewhere.
In there. The one closest to the door.
I got a stack of cards like this.
Kopech first.
You guys send cards in?
Alex Gonzalez. Andrew Morales first. Josh Hart. Not bad. Alex Verdugo on the paper foil board first.
How long was that? They're not back.
We can do PSA run. Derek Hill and our third auto, Matt Imhoff for the Phillies. Not the greatest autos. Cool cards, but not the greatest autos.
How much is that?
Luis Ortiz first. Italian. Trey Turner first. There you go. You speak of him when he pops up. Fortunately, no color or nothing. I think this is the first chrome Turner. I think there was a paper. Reed Foley first refractor, and Steve Harvey or Hunter Harvey. Not Steve Harvey.
$50. $50 for like 90 days.
90 days means about 300 days.
It's $50 for 90 days. 90 days?
90 business days with a delay. All right. Bowman draft. Jumbo 3 autos. Let's go. Just fix my phone real quick. Is my video frozen? You got my video, Brett?
Yeah.
Is it frozen?
I thought it seemed frozen to me.
Seemed frozen? Didn't say nothing, but
I
it's...
thought you weren't saying anything. I didn't hear you say anything, so I couldn't tell.
Well, how long has it been frozen?
Move your hand. I can see you still. You're good.
I don't know why my phone's being weird.
I know what you're talking about.
Chronicles
They have the different
has
sets on
all
it.
of them, but they don't say legacy. It's a legacy card.
It's still good?
I know what you're saying.
Is the box of 2021 in there?
It's like an insert in the front.
Yeah, I'm just trying to find it. What's... Is this our internet?
How they have the print.
Sorry, guys. Just want to make sure everything's good. It lost my feed.
Yeah.
What is wrong with my phone?
You got one of those 75?
There we go.
The last 15 days, I tried golf.
Strong. Sorry about that. Yeah. I think it's our internet. Lucky we're wired. I had to turn off my internet to see it. Alright, good luck, good luck. It's been a minute since we opened this. What up, Vinny? Aaron Sabato. We got Shaylin on the paper prospect to 250. Brendan Beck first. Jake Fox first. Gunner. Acuna. Rhodes first. And we got a Jeter Downs on the not numbered frac. Got Henry Davis on the Genesis.
Oh, God, yeah. Yep.
Zach Veen refractor. Preciado refractor. A minimum penny sleeve, all the refractors. Top load, a good amount of them.
Still possible.
Yeah.
Russell Smith first. Alcantara, Preciado, Jensen first, Steinmetz first, Rodriguez, Williams and Nikhazy, Matt Mikulski first refractor, Del Castillo first refractor,
I wanna be your father, can't you
Steinmetz first, Andy Rodriguez, Jordan Lawler first, Luke Murphy first, Bryce Miller first, Cade Pavich on the not numbered refractor first for the Twins. And Matt Mikulski first for the Giants on the teal flow to 199. Cartaya refractor, Polanco refractor. If you missed basketball and whatnot today, you missed out. You lost. Andrew somehow managed to lose $300, not counting shipping. Gunnar Hoglund first. There's a Benny first. He's the best there is, folks. Panzini first. Kusick first. DeCastro and Invicta. Andrew Painter.
I'm waiting.
Got Genesis, Sam Bachman. Geraldo refractor. Ty Madden first refractor. Yeah, there's a lot of cards. Greeny coming up. John Rhodes first paper to 99 for the for the Birds. The Birds of Maryland.
The Punishers?
No, not the Punisher Birds. Got Dominguez. Clark first. Wilson first. Yoquay. Torque. And our first auto going to the Windians, Gavin Williams. First on the base. Orioles card. Gunnar Hoglund first refractor. Jerstad refractor.
Huh? Yeah.
Come on. Brett will rip Prism. When are you ripping Prism?
Right for you.
Right after me, he says.
I can focus.
If he can focus. Carson Williams first. Ottenbreed first. Sabato. Polanco. McDermott first. Russell Smith first. Marcelo Mayer draft night. Bryce Miller first refractor. And Edwin Arroyo first refractor.
No, usually you don't want bad signal, but
Who's Edwin? Did you see Edwin sent a photo?
Didn't see it. If we didn't watch it, pretend it didn't happen. If you don't watch it, pretend it didn't happen.
That's why I didn't log on to Whatnot today. You can only get that money back. We got Cooper Bowman first, Colley first, Jar first, Luciano, Brendan Davis, and for the Twins, Noah Miller on the green sparkle to 99. First for the Twins. Some more loaders real quick. Got an auto in the window. Joe Rock for the Rockies. Nick Gonzalez refractor. Brendan Davis refractor.
see, I would not know if that auto was $1,500 or $30.
Closer to 30.
But a big card.
Del Castillo first. Kusick first. Castro. Witt. Wes Kath first. McCade Brown first. Genesis House. Nikhazy first refractor. And Jaden Hill first refractor. You missed. Right, it's coming back now. It's coming back. The pitcher autos. Bednar first. Henderson first. Geraldo. Cartaya. Nunez. Pacheco first. Twins card. Sean Burke first refractor. McDermott first refractor. I saw Davis paper in there.
He's on 40 minutes.
For the Cubs, first paper to 499, Drew Gray.
If I can't beat 40 with one box,
One box?
yeah, I hope I can do better. Andrew said I'm going to still be live 40 minutes. from my-
Possible. Noah Miller first. Norby first. Martinez. Urbina. Zavala first. Burke first. Chase Petty draft night. Holgate first refractor. Denzel Clark first refractor. Not numbered in draft. Yeah, one more auto. Am I live still? Can you see mine? It seems to be frozen. I don't know what's wrong with my phone. Got Casas, Prospect, Poisson, Jaden Hill first, Bruns first, Pedro Leon, Hassel, Royals, CJ Abrams refractor, Poisson refractor. Last auto should be in the last pack. Good luck. Ramos, Blade, Nelson first, Fox first, Gunner. Hey, that is a banger. Nice hit for the Tigers. Isaac Pacheco, Sparkle first to 71. Nice hit for the Tigers. There you go. See the best for the last pack. Nice hit.
Kyle Parker.
Nice hit. Isaac Pacheco. Job Genesis, Ramos refractor, Dominguez refractor.
Take that, Kennedy.
Take that, Kennedy. Who's got the Tigers?
Kyle Parker.
Kyle Parker. Nice hit, sir.
It's a two-picture auto. I remember 2014.
Yeah, there's a lot of picture on there. All right, let me get these in my tray. We'll do a recap. I'll check in, probably break football and soccer for my house later if it's full.
My prison box will be better than this whole break, Ryan. I'm guaranteeing
I
it.
don't think his prison box will be better. Brett doesn't understand baseball.
Will be better than this whole break.
Brett doesn't understand baseball. Got a Correa prospect refractor. Brian Anderson first. Michael Kopech first. Mini card Lucas Sims. Brett Honeywell first. Aaron Judge prospect. Gareth Morgan foil board first. Die cut Daniel Robertson. Reese Hoskins first. JD Davis first refractor. Trace Lauer to 399 first blue. Gareth Moran first paper to 399. Kristen Hernandez Sapphire first. Melvin Valdez to 25. Edie Cappy. Nolan Gorman to 125. Dylan Carlson. Christian Javier to 75. Ellie on the Mojo. Dominguez refractor. Holgate first refractor. Drew Gray paper to 499. Noah Miller green to 99 on the Sparkle. Arroyo rookie refractor. John Rhodes paper first to 99. Invicta Painter. Benny first. Mikulski first to 199. Pavich first refractor. Waller Jeter Downs. Blanco to 250 paper. Trey Turner first. Conforto first refractor. Verdugo first foil board and chrome. Mini card Frazier. Kopech green to 150. Nick Gordon first refractor and mini card Rob Kaminsky. Our hits for the Rockies, Joe Rock first. For the Windians, Gavin Williams. For the Phillies, Matt Imhoff first. For the Brewers, Cody Medeiros first refractor. Max Pentecost first for the Blue Jays. And the big one, Isaac Pacheco to 71. Nice hit for the Tigers. All right, guys. Appreciate it. Jalen Green numbered card. It's a lot to ask. All right, guys. I'll be back tonight with the other breaks. Fill up those minis. Thanks.